it's Nancy. Today I have dug up this nice root. This is you see the asparagus that's already coming up through here? So this root is alive. There are some dead parts on it, which I think are just roots from other plants. Ooh, sorry. They're there. Okay, now the way you plant it, is you make a pile of dirt in the center. Okay, we don't want other roots in it. Okay, so you make a pile of dirt in the center. And then you lay that crown on top of that pile, and then you cover it up. So this crown is supposed to be 4 inches below the surface of the ground. Okay? And now we'll cover it up, and we're only going to cover it about 1 inch the first year, I think. Or at least we'll bring it up so that it's only covered 1 inch at the top of the... And then every year you come back and you add more dirt. Now you may not have to do this with an old root like this. There. Okay, so that's the way that you plant an asparagus root. Now it's below the surface, you see there? The ground is higher, so every year I'm going to fill it in more. Now, if I go online and I find that because it's an old root, I can already fill it in more, I'll do that now. Okay, it's Nancy Today. You can do this at home. Take your old asparagus, dig it up and find out what's the good crowns that are in there, and then move them.